When it comes to being a successful stock market investor, one of the most important skills that you can master is the skill of stock market research. And the beauty about this is that once you master the skill, because you've done your research on a particular market, you're going to be able to find tons of stock market opportunities that you can take advantage of. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you do need to know about performing stock market research so that you can use this information to make some really good stock investment decisions. The first thing that you need to know to perform good stock market research is to start up with, pick an area that you have expertise that most people don't have. This is very, very important, and it's going to allow you to make your research process so much easier. So for example, let's say that you really like gaming and you're very aware of the main gaming companies that are out there, including what games they're releasing, how popular are those games, and the overall dynamic of the market. In that case, it's a no-brainer that you should be performing stock market research on the gaming market. And the reason why is because you'll have knowledge and information that most people won't have, and this is gonna help you tremendously so you can pick some good stocks in that specific industry. Now, once you pick an industry that you want to analyze, the next step is to perform competitor analysis. So what I highly recommend that you do is to look online to see what are the market leaders for that specific industry that you're analyzing, and then that you do your research so that you can learn as much as you can about each of the competitors in this space. For this, you can Google something like gaming market share per company. Now, when it comes to the actual competitor analysis, one of the best things that you can do is to create a competitor matrix like you're seeing right now. And the reason why this is so powerful is because across different features and different dimensions, this allows you to compare how different companies stack up, what are their pros, what are their cons, and how they're likely to perform because of this in the future. The other thing that I highly recommend that you do when it comes to competitor analysis is that you pick a list of all those competitors, put them on a spreadsheet, and then compare them across the key metrics that matter for that industry. So perhaps you want to compare all those different companies across their PE ratio, their price to sales ratio, their return on invested capital, whatever ratios matter to you. Do that so that you have a good awareness of what these different companies are trading for or what are their different key metrics at. Once you have this information, it is important to understand the actual market itself. What this means is that you're gonna go into Google and type in something like gaming market report. And here the things that are important for you to know are the current size of the market that you're analyzing, the expected growth of that market over time, and the main trends that are taking a place in the market. So that way you can use this information as you're analyzing different companies in your market and take advantage of this so that you can arrive at much more accurate predictions and conclusions about those specific companies. With this information, you're now equipped to be able to make good investment decisions by performing good stock market analysis. Now, this is a series of videos that you can watch for free to become a successful stock market investor. So be sure to check out the previous videos that you can see on this playlist, and stay tuned for the future videos that we're gonna be releasing so that way you can be ahead of 99% of investors out there. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.